Hey everyone, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a snorkel mask, and I'm going to be going to my friend's place in Exuma shortly, and so I figured, hey, we're going to go do some diving for lobsters and all, and I want to be able to breathe and swim and see stuff. I'll probably mostly just be filming. I don't think I'm good with a spear gun, but this is it here. It's got a really nice flexible pose here. It's good silicone for that for sure. Let's check out this mask here. This is great. I love it when it's like clear like that versus the black ones for me. And it's got a glass screen, which is always the best to get for me. And let's just try this here. Let's see, there's that. Makes a good seal. Okay. And then we have this, which will clip on to it. Let's see, it'll clip on through here. There we go. Now we have the mask at Snorkel. Up a little below. And I am good to go. Very cool. And it's got one of those, the tops on it, which are always nice too. So then if you kind of go like that, upside down or under the water, the ball floats so you won't get water in the pipe. So that's great. So this is it here. It's really nice. Seems like a good one. Yep, so you suck in, it'll go down here, and you blow out, it'll make some bubbles down here. So really cool. Nice, feels good. Good mouth feel and everything. So I'm gonna say this one here is a nice one. And it was easy to cinch up this thing on it here. It just kind of goes on there like that. I think you can push this if you really want to disconnect just this and leave a little clip on there, which is nice too. So you can quickly take that off if you need to for any reason. And then it just clips right back on. So that's cool. So you just take off the mask if you just want to be free diving or use the Scuba or something like that. But really cool, and I like that glass and that with this company. They make the good stuff. So this is it here. Greatever. This got a snorkel mask, but I also got the fins and everything from them too. They have it all. So these guys are awesome. Definitely cool. Thumbs up for sure.